I just got word from my office that we get to work from home tomorrow. Apparently it might snow again here in Georgia, and so since I won't have to run around in the morning getting ready, I thought it would be fun to try and make cinnamon rolls. Hello. Someone's being a big helper. You gonna help Mom? I've never actually made cinnamon rolls before, but I have sourdough discard that I am trying to use up, and so I thought this would be kind of a fun treat to try. I think I just cover this for the night, and then all the magic happens in the morning. I should probably get that fixed. Good morning. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay. I don't know, you tell me, is that right? I think we start by making the filling. It's ready! That is so good. Delicious. But what am I supposed to do with the other 14 cinnamon rolls?